Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment. Experiment number 45. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the white liniment BP British Pharmacopoeia 10 ml. Proposition 1. Emulsion type liniment can be made with an ammonium soap. Proposition 2. Common ion effect bottle method of preparation of emulsion. Learning objectives are to understand the effect of common ammonium and high percentage of turpentine oil till causes phase inversion, and ability to prepare and label liniment correctly. Apparatus required are measuring cylinder, pipette, beaker, bottle. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.01 ml. Then next, 0.01 prescription, Rx, which is given by this symbol Rx. We have this formula table. Type means the category, use or the role of ingredient, then translation means the name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system, that is not given. We have the directly formula given in the metric system, so quantity given in the metric system for 1000 ml, quantity taken in the metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So first of all we have ammonium chloride, that is used as a counter irritant. Quantity given in the metric system is 12.5 ml, and the quantity taken in the metric system, that is 0.125 ml. Then dilute solution of ammonia, used as an alkalizing agent. Quantity given in the metric system is a 45 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system, that is 0.45 ml. Oleic acid, pharmaceutical solvent, which is used as 85 ml. So taken quantity is 0.85 ml. Turpentine oil used as a rubefacient absorption enhancer, that is given quantity in metric is 250 ml, so taken 2.5 ml. Purified water used as a vehicle, quantity given 625 ml, so we have to use to prepare the quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction: to be used as directed by physician. So now we will move towards actual performing of experiment in laboratory. This is ammonium chloride, which is a previously weighed. This is dilute solution of ammonia, that is taken into this beaker. This is oleic acid, which is also previously weighed into this beaker. This is the turpentine oil, which is also previously weighed into this beaker, and this is a purified water. So now first of all we are going to add this oleic acid into this turpentine oil in this bottle, which is having the larger volume as that of the capacity of our formulation. So I am going to shake it vigorously and for proper mixing of it. Then simultaneously in another second beaker, this is previously boiled water. So in that previously boiled water I am going to add this dilute ammonia solution. For diluting this dilute ammonia solution, and added it into this previously hot water. Then after that, this dilute ammonia solution which is prepared in this purified water, that is I am going to add it to the previously prepared oily solution into this bottle, and after each addition again I am going to shake it properly. So I added the whole solution of that dilute ammonia solution into this bottle and again shake vigorously for proper mixing. Then next, this ammonium chloride is added in the remaining water and that is also properly mixed. And after its proper mixing, now I am going to add this ammonium chloride solution into this previously prepared mixture present in this bottle and then again going to shake it vigorously for proper mixing. Then after that I pour that formulation which is prepared into this bottle to this measuring cylinder, make up the volume up to 10 ml with the help of purified water. Now I am going to transfer again it into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation minimum 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number that is XYZ number given in the register. Dispatched by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage condition stored in a cool place. Shake well before use. One more direction for liniment is apply with friction on unbroken skin. Manufactured by Element Pharmacy Nasik. Result: the 10 ml of this liniment is submitted in this amber colored glass bottle for inspection. Special instruction label as shake well before use. Thank you.